children, welcome to the maths class. In chapter 8 comparing quantities, in previous class we learnt about the conversions. Fraction into percentage, decimal into percentage, percentage into fraction, and we completed question 1 to question 5 of exercise 8.2. Coming to question 6. Convert these percentages into decimals and fractions in lowest term. A. 25%. First in decimal 25, and remove this percent sign by dividing by 100. Now this is 25 hundredths, means there are two places after decimal point. 5, 2, then decimal point will come. So it is 0.25 into fraction. This is the fraction 25 by 100. We have to convert it into lowest term. So here 25 is the factor of 100. So HCF is 25. Divide both numerator and denominator by 25. 25 ones are 25 and 25 fours are 100. B. 150%. First in decimal 150, and remove this percent sign by dividing by 100. Now in division 100 is there, it is 150 hundredths. So there are two places after decimal point. 1, 2, then point will come, then this 1. So it is 1.50. Now coming to fraction. This fraction we have 150 by 100. We have to convert it into lowest term. The HCF of 150 and 100 is 50. 50 is the highest common factor. So divide both numerator and denominator by 50. 50 3s are 150 and 50 2s are 100. So the fraction in lowest term is 3 by 2. C. 20%. First decimal 20, and for this percent write 100 in denominator, and this is 20 hundredths, means two places after decimal point. We have to start from last digit 0, 2, then point, and in whole part 0. Now fraction. This is fraction 20 by 100, and we have to reduce this fraction into lowest term. HCF of 20 and 100 is 20. 20 is the factor of 100. So divide both numerator and denominator by 20. 21s are 20 and 25s are 100. D. 5%. Decimal first 5, and for this percent sign 100 in denominator. Now this is 5 hundredths, means two places are there after decimal point. Start from the last digit, it is 5, then tens are not there, so 0, then decimal point and a 0 in whole part. Fraction 5 by 100, we are having fraction here. Now we have to convert it into lowest term. So HCF of 5 and 100 is 5, because 5 is the factor of 100. Divide both numerator and denominator by 5. 5 ones are 5 and 5 20s are 100. So the fraction in lowest term is 1 by 20. Question 7. In a city, 30% are female, 40% are male, and remaining are children. What percent are children? Here percentages of female and male are given, and we have to find out the percentage of children. Always when other population is given in percentage, total population, we have to take 100%. Female, male and children together. Here the percentage of female is given 30%, and percentage of male is given 40%. And to find the percentage of children, we have to subtract the sum of these two from 100. We have to find out the sum of these two first. 30 plus 40, it is 70, and we have to subtract 70 from 100. So we will get the percentage of children. So subtract the sum of percentage of female and percentage of male from 100%. So it is 100% minus. Always we have to solve the bracket first. 30% plus 40%, it is 70%. And now subtract. 100% minus 70% is 30%. So in the CT, 30% are children. Question 8. Out of 15,000 voters in a constituency, 60% voted. Find the percentage of voters who did not vote. Find the number of voters who did not vote. Constituency means a group of voters in an area. And there are 15,000 voters. And out of 15,000 voters, 60% of 15,000 have given vote. And we have to find out the percentage of voters who have not given vote and number of voters who have not given vote. So here total number of voters are 15,000 and a percentage of voters who have given vote is 60%. And always the total percentage we have to take 100%. So to find the percentage of voters who did not vote, we have to subtract this percentage who have voted from the total percent. So 100% minus 60%. It is 40%. So 40% of the total voters have not given the vote. And now we have to find out the number of voters who have not given the vote. So to find this, we have to find out 40% of the total voters, 15,000. Now find out 40 for this percent sign. Write 100 in denominator, of means into, and 15,000. Now we have to solve this. 100 in denominator and this 15,000 is the multiple of 100. So 100 ones are and 100 150s are. Now multiply the numerators. 40 into 150. It is 15 4s are 60. This 0 and this 0. 2 more zeros. So 6,000. So 6,000 voters did not vote. Not given the vote. Question 9. Meeta saves rupees 400 from her salary. If this is 10% of her salary, find her salary. Meeta is saving rupees 400 out of her total salary. And this rupees 400 saving is 10% of her salary. Her salary is unknown here. We have to find it. So let Meeta's salary be X. 10% of Meeta's salary is rupees 400. Rupees 400 is saving here. So let us write the statement. 10 for percent, write 100 in denominator. Of means into, Meeta's salary is unknown. We have taken it as X. Is means equal to. And saving is rupees 400. Here, this is the equation. To find the Meeta's salary, we have to solve this equation. So first remove this part. Remove 100 from the denominator here. Here on left hand side 100 is in denominator. In division it will go in the numerator in right hand side. So here 10 into x 10x equal to rupees 400 right hand side into this 100 here in numerator. Now we don't want this 10. Divide both sides by 10 or transfer this 10 into right hand side. X equal to rupees 400 into 100 and this 10 on left hand side is in numerator. Here it will come in denominator. Now we have to solve this. 10 tens are 100. So 10 ones are and 10 tens are. This is numerator rupees 400 into 10 equal to rupees 4,000. So Mita's salary is rupees 4,000. Question 10. A cricket team played 20 matches. It won 25% of them. How many matches did they win? A cricket team played total 20 matches. And out of 20 matches, 25% of 20 matches they won. And we have to find how many matches they have won. So total number of matches played is 20. They played total 20 matches. And percentage of matches won is given 25%. And to find out the number of matches won, we have to find out 25% of the total matches played. It is 20. So let us find out it. 25 for percent, 100 in denominator, of means into, and the total matches 20. Now see, 25 is the factor of 100. 25 ones are 25 fours are. Now this 20 is the multiple of 4. 4 ones are 4 fives are. So in numerator 1 into 5 and denominator is 1, means only numerator is 5. So the team won 5 matches.